Okay, let's talk about rule number 2 in our cohort. You see big amount of real technical systems in my table. It is not full set. I have big amount additional system. Why? We begin talk about technical systems and our target define disadvantage from technical system. And behavior of trees expert looks like as behavior of doctor. Let's imagine you have bad feeling. You will go to hospital, and in hospital you explain for doctor your problem. Doctor must obligatory touch you. Doctor must obligatory define latent reason about your bad feeling, right? Doctor do analysis of pressure of your blood, temperature, hurt your body, right? And in our technical system we have absolutely similar situation. For create new invention, necessary define disadvantage. Because there is only one way for extract important information about disadvantage. Necessary touch technical system. And we must touch technical system, we must define every disadvantage from this technical system. And it is absolutely realistic way. It is absolutely repetition, full repetition about our behavior in real project. When we do inspection of technical system, we must touch system, we must consider system for extract important information about disadvantage. And according to this situation, I can define what is mean trees. Trees, it is medicine for technical system. 기술 medicine. Yeah?
지금 이제 트리드 전문가는 마치 의사와 유사하다고 보시는 거거든요. 우리가 의사는 사람들이 병을 고치잖아요, 그렇죠? 그럼 이제 트리드 전문가는 제품이 가지고 있는 문제점을 고치는 겁니다. 그 문제점이 병이죠, 그렇죠? 제품이 가진 단점들, 그렇죠? 우리 지난주 우리가 얘기했을 때 이상성 얘기했을 때 유해한 기능이라든지, 그렇죠? 또는 유익한 기능이 적은 것들, 그런 문제점들을 갖다 고치는 게 바로 트리드 전문가거든요. 그래서 의사가 아픈 환자가 오게 되면 검진하잖아요. 이 사람이 어디가 아픈가를 갖다 알리기 위해서, 그렇죠? 맥박도 재고, 그렇죠? 피검사도 하고 막 하잖아요, 그렇죠? 그게 결국은 잠재된 문제점을 찾기 위한 거죠. 그런 것처럼 트리드 전문가도 제품을 갖다 개선시키려면 결국은 제품이 가지고 있는 문제점. 이제 유리 박사님이 문제점인데 디스어드밴스라는 말로 쓰시거든요. 이걸 되게 많이 쓸 겁니다. 이걸 찾아내야 돼요. 근데 디스어드밴스를 잘 찾아내려면은 그냥 제품 그림을 보고 찾아낼 수는 없는 건데, 굉장히 적은 문제점을 찾아낼 수 있는 거기 때문에 실제 잘 찾아내려면 제품을 만져보고 써보고 해야지 정확하게 찾아낼 수가 있습니다. 그래서 우리 박사님 교육하실 때도 실제 제품을 갖다가 보여주면서 하는 교육을 하십니다.
Rules number 3 and circumstance number 3 in our situation, you see big amount of posters in our walls. What is it? It is useful diagram for calculate new invention. Because in our discipline we not invent new solution. We calculate new solution because we know some important rules. Today we begin study 40 principles. What is it 40 principles? As you know, as you remember, there is diagram by Mr. Mendeleev, matrix by Mr. Mendeleev. And according to this diagram, you know, every substance consists from some chemistry elements. Yeah? In our discipline we have similar situation. If you consider every invention, you can define, oh, I know some principle for create this technical system. I know some principle for create this technical system. And 40 principle, it is collection of our knowledge about evolution of techniques. And today I'll show for you 40 principle because it is alphabet, it is Canada for inventive discipline, for inventive job. But necessary understand other circumstance. Many people think the technique development chaotic, market development randomly chaotic. No. Market have absolutely predictable reaction to your invention because you remember every customer dream. Please increase amount of useful function in your product, right? Every customer dream. Please decrease cost, right? But you remember your day number 1, and in day number 1, my colleague Song Kim mentioned about model of ideality. Ideality, it is ratio. Ratio between sum of useful function and sum of cost. And if you will increase amount of useful function, you will be increase ideality. If you will be decrease cost, you will be increase ideality again. And ideality, it is fundamental trend in evolution of techniques. And for support, for follow to this trend, there is 40 principles. It is not difficult reasoning. And for illustrate it, let's do experiment. Right now I'll show for you several examples, step by step, several examples. And after this I'll ask you, colleague, what was similar from every examples? Okay? Let's start the experiment. Maybe somewhere. You remember history, step by step evolution. And in this evolution we can extract rules of evolution. And we can use these rules. And you remember, it was long way, but after this was created other system for creating information. You know your touch screen. Yeah? Touch screen. Chip, 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 chip. Okay, it will be example number 1. Long way in one level, after this invention touch screen. Example number 1. Example number 2. You begin study English. And you see it is dictionary for studying English. It is my personal dictionary for studying English, from Russian to English. But there is alternative solution. You know alternative product in the market. And as alternative product in the market, you can recognize it. You know, it is electronic translator. This translator have 5 languages, and if I try prepare it in paper, it will be big weight. Yeah? But it is very small size. Okay, it will be example number 2. Example number 3. Let's consider problem of function hold of energy. You know, it is spring. What to do spring, what main function of spring? Spring hold of mechanical energy, right? But there is alternative way for hold of energy. And you know, we can hold energy, we are using both battery, right? Oh, it will be example number 3. Example number 4. You know what is it? It is cigarette. By the way, you know alternative way for tambe? Yeah? What can be alternative way for tambe? For cigarette? What do you think? Huh? Korean?
전자담배죠? 네, 전자담배.
Think again?
네.
No, it can be electronic cigarette. And you see electronic cigarette, absolutely existing product. Okay, next step, electronic cigarettes. It will be example number 4. Example number 5. You know it is match. Yeah? You know disadvantage of match. If you use match in your apartment, you obtain bad smell, right? We can reject from match, and we can create other solution. You know this solution. Piezoelectrical elements for creating ignition. It is example number 5. Okay, colleague, what was similar from every examples?
공통점이 뭐예요? 보면 이 예문 앞에 거 두 가지 시스템이죠, 그렇죠? 쓰는 도구에서 뭐가 돼요? 핸드폰으로 가서 쓰는 거.
Please do discard this repeat behavior by Mr. Anshura.
전자사전 뭐죠? 그다음에 또 스프링에서 배터리, 담배에서 전자담배, 성냥에서 그런 식의 들고치는 기구 다 바뀌었죠, 그렇죠? 네. 어떤 공통점이 있나요?
편리해졌어요.
More convenient.
More convenient. I agree. More convenient in every case. In every case, we have more convenient. Okay, I agree. What yet? What yet? Not only convenience.
많은 공정이 사라졌어요.
공정이 사용하는데 시간
그렇죠.
전개
네.
is a much reduce the time, reduce the step to use.
Reduce time. Here we have approximately similar time. Yeah. Here we have approximately similar time. What yet? Please think about it. In every case, we have one level. After this, other level. Yeah? One level, other level. What difference from two levels? What is it? We talk about alternative system, we talk about similar function, but for every function we found two kinds of solution. What difference between these solutions?
일반적인 힘을 중기적 힘으로 바꾸는 거예요.
일반적인 힘을 정기적 힘으로.
네.
일반적이란 말은
사전 수작업을 하는 거를 다 전기 다 지금 배터리도 그렇고 전자사전도 그렇고 전자담배도 그렇고
네.
다 전기 에너지인 거니까.
the for the mechanical to the electrical.
Absolutely correct answer. Thank you very much. You winner. Really, in every case we had two levels of solution. One level of solution, it is mechanical level. Yeah? Next level of solution, touch screen. Mechanical level, electronic level. Mechanical level, electronic level. Mechanical level, electronic level. Yeah? Oh, there is principle 28, by the way. There is principle 28. Please follow principle 28 in your diagrams. Principle 28 recommend for you. If you have bad convenience, big size, please think about reject from mechanical level, please go to other level. And by the way, it is trend in evolution of techniques. You can recognize this trend very often in environment.
네, 조금 전에 보여준 예가 여러분들 그 28번 원리가 뭐라고 되어 있나요?
기계적 원리의 원리.
그렇죠. 기계적 원리를 대체하는 겁니다. 현재 기계적으로 작동되는 그런 시스템이 있다면 그 원리를 갖다가 다른 방식으로 대체하는 거죠. 지금 보여준 예가 이제 그런 예들이에요.
And by the way, if we consider list of trends, for example, you can see full list of trends. Here you see 9 trends, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right now we consider macro to micro transfer. Existing trend, and there is several principles for follow to this trend. Go to from macro level to micro level. Difficult, not difficult. But if you know rules in evolution, if you collect in your brain every rules of evolution, you can immediately apply this rule for calculate new and new solution in real situation. And please define. You extract this knowledge from history of mind. It is absolutely realistic recommendation. And if you will be repeat this recommendation, you will dramatically reduce risk in your innovation, because you use absolutely realistic ideas. And it is set of absolutely realistic recommendation. If you keep in your brain this set, you can calculate new and new solutions. Not so much difficult. And today, I'll show for you step by step every principles. And after this, I'll show what can be trend. Because according to requirement from our certification organization, Matrice, it is international certification organization, student after level 1 education must know what does mean physical contradiction, what does mean technical contradiction, what does mean 40 principle, what does mean ideal final result, and what does mean trend, approximately. In level 2 we will study trends of engineering system evolution more detail, more depth. But today I will only mention, because our target today install in your brain possibility recognize principles and apply principles for solve the real problems via model of physical contradiction, via model of ideal final result. Not so much difficult approach. Okay? Let's go to principle number 1 and then step by step we will consider every principle, do exercise, and today I'll show for you every 40 principles.